Next is harmonic motion and harmonic motion. Harmonic motion or harmonic oscillations are actually expressed in terms of single harmonic function. Single harmonic function means either sine or cosine, like y is equals to a sine omega t or y is equals to a cos omega t. So these are the harmonic and non-harmonic, which are not expressed in term of single harmonic function, are called non-harmonic, like y is equals to a sine omega t plus b cos square omega t plus theta. So it is not defined in term of only sine and or only cosine. It is expressed in term of its various term in addition or subtraction. So it is non-harmonic motion. Different terms. There are few different terms which are related to the periodic motion. Like first is time period. It is a time required to complete one oscillation or one periodic motion. Like if Earth is rotating around the Sun, the time it takes to complete one revolution, that is called time period of its motion. It is represented by symbol of T and its unit is second. Next term is frequency. Frequency is number of periodic motion executed by body per second. That is called frequency. It is represented by symbol nu or f. Its unit is per second or hertz. Next term is displacement. Displacement is actually change in the position of a motion. During a motion, what is the change in the position from a particular point or a point of reference? That is called displacement. Its basic unit is meter. Now, next term is phase and phase difference. One more term is there, epoch or initial phase. Now what is phase? For an oscillatory motion, phase is actually the argument of the sine or cosine function. Suppose if I have a harmonic function, that is a sine omega t. This term of the sine or cosine, this will give the phase. Or in general term, phase express the position and direction of a motion at that instant of time with respect to mean position. It will represent the direction and motion of the object with respect to the mean position at that instant. That is called phase of the wave. If we say about the initial phase is represented by symbol phi. Initial phase is represented by symbol phi naught. Initial phase or epoch. Initial phase or the epoch is the angle with which a wave originates. Phase difference. Suppose I have two waves. One is originating like this. Other is originating at some other angle. Say from here. Then let it be originating with phase phi 1 and it with phi 2. The difference between their phases means phi 2 minus phi 1. This gives the phase difference, where the unit of the phase, epoch and phase difference is radian. Their unit is radian, and we know pi radian equals to 180 degree. This is a relation between radian and a degree.